Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Wajahat from Herald City School and I am going to teach you the book GABA Computer Today for class 6. Unit number 4, Managing Files and Folders. And in this video I am going to teach you about these topics. Here you can see a screenshot of Windows Explorer having title bar, menu bar, toolbar, address bar, status bar and both panes, left pane and right pane. Title bar. It is the topmost bar of the window. It shows the name of the file or folder that is currently opened and it has the close button in the right corner. Menu bar. Menu bar is under the title bar. It shows some menus like File, Edit and View. Toolbar. Toolbar has some important buttons like Back. It takes back to previous folder. Forward. It takes to the next folder. Up. It takes to the main folder. Cut. It moves the selected file to the new location. Copy. It makes a copy of the selected file. Undo. It is used to cancel the last action. Delete. It deletes or removes the selected file. Views. It has the options of seeing the files and folders as large or small icons. Here you can see the icons of those buttons. Address bar. It shows the present location. To go to the other drive or folder, write its name in address bar and press go button. Left pane. It shows the disk drives and folders. Some icons have the plus sign, that means they have subfolders. When you click folder, its content is displayed in right pane. Right pane. It shows the contents of the selected folder or drive. Files are shown only in right pane. To open the file, double click it. Status bar. It is in the bottom of the window. It shows the number of files and folders and size of the selected object.